Today's lectures were composed of different topics. So we learned about the long history of ASEAN and Korean relationship lasting for more than 30 years. We also learned about how to write a manifesto, like the contents of a manifesto, and also we lastly learned about the proper mindset in drafting the manifesto. For instance, we need to be inclusive and progressive and at the same time be respectful of each other.
The question it would be
our pursuit for knowledge and our pursuit for compassion towards the situations within the Indo-Pacific region. And I think we really need more time and more discussions to make among our team, within our team and among other teams as well, so that we can really have a grasp of the youth's wants and needs in terms of today's day and age, especially during a time of economic challenges, health challenges, and climate challenges as well. I think it really comes down to how we communicate with our team members and also how we apply what we learned as foundation today in writing up our manifestos.